Right, what else we have? What else we have going on today?
Well, we were talking about Meg Thee Stallion and Cardi B, two of those artists that Fontaine has written for. Well, these two ladies have gotten back together for a Bongos collaboration, and they're dressed up in their Caribbean-inspired outfits, and they're on the beach, and they got their bikinis on, and the catchphrase of the song sounds oddly familiar, something that we may have heard in the past, but I can't quite put my finger on it.
Do we give them a little sample? This is their song, okay? Okay.
Baby, eat this peach and this plum. This body tight like a nun. Better chew it up like it's gum. Then wipe your mouth when you done. Okay.
Now this is artist goes by the name of
Lincoln 3 Dot.
Lincoln 3 Dot, okay? And his song is entitled Bang.
Tell us what you think. Dancehall fans are closing in on Cardi B and Meg, saying, you guys did it again. You guys stealing from our culture and not crediting those who deserve their credit.